Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to change Photomath to degrees. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to use Photomath to degrees, you need to first of all tap open the app. So to use it with trigonometric functions in degrees, input the problem using the degree symbol after the angle value. Then you need to tap the trigonometric values that are like the function buttons like sin, cos, tan, cot, etc., which are on the top left of the calculator keyboard. So talking about it in depth, Photomath is by default set to use radians for trigonometric functions. So to input an angle in degrees, you will need to use the degree symbol. For example, if you want to calculate the cosine of 30 degrees, you will need to input cos 30 degree. So this is how you can change your Photomath to degrees. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos.